Why accountability partners matter.
By sharing goals with someone else, you're more likely to stay motivated and consistent. Many habit tracking apps now include features that let you team up, check in, and encourage each other. This added layer of accountability helps build momentum and keeps you committed to your routines.
Finding accountability features in popular apps.
Many popular habit tracking apps offer built-in accountability tools. Apps like Habitica, Loop, and Habit Bull allow you to connect with friends or join communities pursuing similar goals. Look for features like shared progress tracking, group challenges, or the ability to send reminders and encouragement to your partners.
Setting up your accountability group.
To set up accountability partners, start by inviting trusted friends or joining an in-app community. Use options to create group challenges, share your progress, or set up regular check-ins. Some apps let you assign tasks to each other, making teamwork seamless and fun. The key is to collaborate and communicate regularly.
Maximizing the benefits of accountability.
Consistency is easier with active participation. Exchange daily updates, celebrate wins together, and gently remind each other when someone falls behind. The best results happen when partners are supportive, honest, and positive. Use in-app messaging or notifications to stay connected and adjust your goals as you progress.
Tips for long-lasting motivation.
Mix things up to keep motivation high. Rotate partner roles, switch up challenges, or introduce rewards for meeting milestones. Regularly review your goals and celebrate progress, no matter how small. With the right accountability features and partners, habit tracking apps can help you stay on track and achieve your biggest aspirations.